everybody! How's your Sunday? Guys, may activity kaming gagawin ni Olivia girl. Yung object functions. Mga simple objects to guys na makikita sa house natin. Total, hindi niya pa naman alam yung ibang concepts, objects, and its functions. Tuturo lang natin para ma-introduce sa kanya yung mga concept na yon. Oh, this one anak ko. What's this? The name of the dog is Sadie. Si Sadie daw is the dog. Kung anak, wait lang. Later will ano. O, sabi niya, what will Sadie use to cut? Ano ang pangkat niya ng ano? Ano ang pangkat daw ni Sadie? This? Scissor! Scissor! Like this one, di ba? This is a scissor for cutting things. Kasi anak, ito ay hat. Ito ay paper. And this one is also a book. Hindi naman guys kailangan na malaman niya agad yung mga bagay-bagay, di ba? Introduction of things nga lang muna and its functions. Eh anak, look at this. What does Sadie need when she gets a scrape? Pag nagkasugat daw si Sadie, yung dog, ano daw ba ginagamit? You know this, di ba? Oh, this one, she knows! Yung band-aid, guys, kasi pag nagkakasugat siya, lagi niyang pinapalagyan ng band-aid. Very good! High five! Kiss mommy on the cheek. Wow! Next. Oh. What will Sadie use to blow her nose? Pag may sipon daw si Sadie, ano daw ang ginagamit? No, not this one. This one is a cup eh. Oh, alin yung ginagamit niya pag nagbo-blow siya ng nose, pag may sipon siya. Eh, Olivia, look. Ah, the tissue. This one is the tissue kasi meron siyang sipon. Diba? Very good. High five. Wow, very good. Ganun lang, guys. Simple activities lang. What will Sadie drive? Ano ang dinadrive ni Sadie? Oh, no. Yes, the car. Ito yung car. Minsan, guys, nanguhula lang siya para matapos. Pero, she knows naman kasi na the car is used for driving. Kasi nagda-drive na si Olivia minsan eh. Pag ano lang, di ba? Pag nakapark. This one is a chair, anak. Hindi mo ituturo lahat. Sadie used this for driving. This one, the car. Car. Next. What will Sadie drink from? Saan daw magdi-drink yung dog? Saan magdi-drink yung dog? Saan magdi-drink? This one, nahuhula siya guys. This one, because this is a cup. Diba? She knows naman that this is a cup. Kaya lang nga, nanghuhula na siya guys. O yan daw, yung cup daw. Very good. O, next. Hello. What will? What does Sadie sit on? Saan daw mauupo yung dog? Wow, done daw sa chair, guys. Very good. Kasi this one, Olivia, look at that paper. This one is a tissue paper for blowing the nose. And this one naman, the car for driving. Diba? Very good naman. Alam niya naman, this one is a chair used for sitting. Ayan, nakasit na yung dog dyan, diba? Sa chair. O, diba, guys? What will Sadie read? Saan daw? Read ba yan? Eh, hat yan for the head. Yan ang hat. This one naman is an umbrella. So, what will Sadie read? Yung book like this. Ito naman kasi, tracing book lang ito, anak. This one is a book. Guys, ganyan. Tiyagaan talaga. Mag-i-introduce pa lang yan ng concepts, diba? What will Sadie use to brush her teeth? Alin daw ang pang-brush ng teeth? Ano yan? Scissors yan. Naghula na siya, guys. This one is a hat. Minsan, hinihintay niya yung cue ng mga nagtuturo sa kanya, ni teacher, or ako, or ni ate. Olivia. This one is a toothbrush. Ayan, no, may toothpaste pa nga. O, diba? Ikaw din, nagpa-brush ka ng teeth. Ayan, very good, Olivia. Last na lang po. What will Sadie wear on her head? Oh, this one, the hat daw for the head. Kasi this one is a toothbrush for the teeth. And this one naman is a scissor. Activity niya ito guys sa kanyang speech therapy dati na hindi naman namin masyadong nagamit. Pero ngayon, pwede nang gamitin ulit. Dito na lang sa bahay. Thank you for watching. Mabalos!